Hi, this is Joachim for statisticsglobe.com, and in this video I will show you how to replace the x-axis values of a plot in the R programming language. So in the video I'm going to show you an example, and this example is based on the example plot that we can create with line 2 of the code. So if you run this line of code, you will see that at the bottom right of RStudio a simple plot is returned, which is showing 5 values in a scatter plot. And as you can see, our x-axis is containing the values 1 to 5. So if we want to create a plot with manually specified x-axis values, then we first need to create this plot again without any axis values, and this is what we can do in lines 4 to 6 of the code. And as you can see, in line 5 of the code, I'm specifying the xaxt argument to be equal to the character letter n. So if you run these 3 lines of code, you will see that at the bottom right in RStudio, our plot is created again, this time without any axis values and with the axis label myxaxis. So in the next step, we are applying the axis function that you can see in line 8 of the code. And within the axis function, we need to specify the position at which we want to specify the axis. So if you specify the value 1, then this means that we are specifying the x-axis. Then we need to specify the positions at which we want to add our new x-axis labels. And then we need to specify the new labels that we want to add. So in this case, we are simply using the letters ranging from A to E. So if you run line 8 to 10 of the code, you will see that our plot is updated again, and this time our plot is showing the axis values A, B, C, D and E. So in this video you have learned how to change the x-axis values of a base R plot in the R programming language. However, in case you want to learn more on this topic, you could check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on the homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. And furthermore, if you have liked the video, I would be very happy if you leave me some positive feedback in the comments. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get notifications in future when I'm releasing new videos to the channel. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot. See you next time.